Welcome to the RGI database training video, how to use the Student Progress Import feature to update course completion and student progress measures. This feature is used to report on the courses students have completed by the end of the school year and progress measures achieved. This is a recommended method for schools that have a large cohort of students to minimize the time spent entering student course and progress measure completion. The first step to updating course completion and student progress measures is to ensure your student roster in the database is up to date. Once your student roster is updated, make your way to the Student Progress Update Import page. You can find this page by clicking on the Student Progress Import button at the end of the Utilities drop-down menu. If you have access to more than one school in your grant, you will have to select the school for which you want to update course completion and student progress measures. Next, click on the Download Import File button to download the Excel spreadsheet you will use to enter course completion and student progress measure data. If you have a school or district contact that enters course completion and progress measure data for you, please send them this template. You will notice this spreadsheet is pre-populated with student information, course enrollment data, and possibly some student progress measure data. If any student demographic information is incorrect, you will have to update this in the database and re-download the import file. Please do not alter any student demographic, course enrollment, past course completion, or student progress measure data already found on the spreadsheet. Also, please do not add any additional columns or rows to the spreadsheet. Adding additional columns or rows to the spreadsheet will not allow the spreadsheet to import into the database. In the spreadsheet, you will now have to scroll to the right until you reach the columns for course completion. These are indicated by the column headers containing completed in parentheses. You will want to indicate which students have successfully completed any of the courses we are required to report on by the USDE by entering a Y, yes, or X into the cell that corresponds to the correct student and course or progress measure. For courses and progress measures that do not apply to your cohort students or were not completed, you can leave the cells blank. When you have finished filling out the spreadsheet with applicable course completion and student progress measure data, save the spreadsheet to your desktop. Return to the Student Progress Update Import page in the database. You can drop your finished course completion and student progress measure spreadsheet into the gray Drop File box, or upload the spreadsheet by clicking on the blue Select File button. Upon uploading the course completion and student progress measure spreadsheet, the database will generate an upload result message. This message will state how many progress values were changed and how many students' profiles were updated. If there were any errors on the spreadsheet or an invalid template was uploaded, the upload result will generate an error message containing the type of error that was found. If you are unable to address and remedy the error on your own, please reach out to your database point of contact. That concludes this training video. Thank you for your participation. For further questions, please contact the RGI evaluation team.